everyone! Today I'm using my real brush pens from Arteza. I was so excited to use them again and do a video for you. At the beginning, my idea was to draw something summer related, but especially to try coloring a different skin color. Like the last video, I want to color a dark skin. I think I just got addicted to this beautiful skin color because overall all my drawings have the same color skin and I want to learn how to color this one too. I think I should color more skin colors from now on, right? At first I started with a little sketch because I didn't know what to draw, but then after I erased everything and tried to do something bigger and use all the size of the paper. I am using a sketchbook from Arteza, the size is an A5. I also tried a different haircut in this girl, everything cool and summery, and I always use a mechanical pencil while sketching, but I was not worried about the lines much because I would do the line art after. I have seen many people using only pencil lines while doing watercolors, but I think that also depends on the drawing and emotion you want to give in the drawing. I wanted something rich and that popped right away from the paper. I also gave her some fancy glasses because I love drawing them. When I was satisfied with the fast sketch, I did the line art with the brown micron and also a purple for the gum. I had to try all the brown real brush pens from Arteza to choose the color I wanted to put on the skin. So this is just me doing a color test first, but in the end I was pretty satisfied with the first one. The others didn't seem a nice base color for the skin at the moment, but who knows, another drawing, maybe another character. Coloring this skin was so much fun. I did first some dark parts and used the water brush for the blending, but then I remembered it was much easier to dip the pen into the water first and color from there. That makes the color on the tip fade into the water, making a gradient, while the ink runs slowly from the tip into the paper. When the tip is recovered from that, the saturation level of the color comes out perfect again. I am always so impressed how these pens work dipping into the water. I simply love it. Do you see the watercolor coming on this drawing? Larger areas are a bit more challenging, but it was also very fun. I ended up using other brown on her hair, and you will see I will always use the same technique for the coloring. Do you prefer these videos with the white table instead of other color? I like to use the protection under the drawing I am making since I usually do a mess, but I think on the videos it actually looks cool, the whites. Let me know if you like this kind of video better than before in the comment sections below. If this is your first video watching and you like what you see, click that subscribe button and let me know what you like about my art, or what you made you click on the button. Also, don't forget the bell, so you will be notified when I upload a new video. It is so nice to meet new people. After coloring the character, I tried to use Arteza fineliners, but after coloring the character, I tried to use the Arteza fineliners they give me, but I learned that they are good to use only when the illustration is finished, because I had to use again the brush pens and the fineliners are not waterproof. Always learning! After giving some strong lines on the line art, I thought maybe a simple background would make her better, so I did something very easy and fast, and I think it looks cool. At the end, I just added some lights with the white ink and she's done. I really hope you like this illustration and also this video, and I will see you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.